Hey guys, this is Pete from Pete's Garage Gym. Want to take a look at a product made by Skins today. It's called the Skins A400 Series Power Short. Skins was kind enough to send me a pair of these. Received them yesterday, worked out in them today, and I was pretty much blown away with this product, and that rarely happens. This product was designed in conjunction with the Australian national rugby team, the Wallabies. The athletes over there wanted a compression short that wasn't so long that it was visible underneath their shorts that they wear. So they wanted it a little bit lower cut, and then they also wanted something with some pretty rugged material that fit very snug, with the idea of really preventing those hip groin injuries, and also of course providing against chafing. As many of you know, I was a former professional soccer player, and I can tell you that if I was playing today, this would be a must-have. The material is incredible. The way it feels is incredible, and the support that it gives you is incredible. Clearly, one of the best products I've ever worn. About a year ago, I had an injury called a sports hernia, which a lot of elite athletes get, hockey players, soccer players. It's also called athletic pubalgia, and I think by wearing something like this, just with the stability and the support that it provides, you can definitely prevent those types of injuries or delay them. Additionally, if you're recovering from one, I think this is a fantastic piece of gear to have. So I was very impressed with it. It's the Skins Power Short A400 series. You should check it out and give it a shot. It's you'll see right away it's nothing like anything you've ever worn as a compression garment. This is clearly something that was manufactured with extreme craftsmanship, and it's worn by elite athletes at all levels, and it can be worn by elite athletes in any sport, additionally any population, age, whoever it might be. So check it out, A400 Series Power Short by Skins. Thanks.